Welcome to Mastering English as a Second Language. Many people who speak English as a second language face common issues in terms of standard English versus non-standard English. So let's cover a number of those in this brief workshop. Choose the right article, a, an, and the, or in some cases none. I enrolled in workshop, I enrolled in an workshop are both non-standard uses of the article. Versus I enrolled in the workshop refers to a specific workshop, and I enrolled in a workshop refers to any workshop, not a specific one. We are seeking a information or we are seeking an information are both non-standard versus we are seeking the information, which is a reference to specific information, and we are seeking information, which is reference to a general search for information, does not require the indirect article. And then put words in the right order, as sometimes the order of English is different from the order of other global languages. Is finished the product is non-standard placement of the verb, versus is the project finished is the standard placement of the verb. And choose the standard verb form. This recommends to delay as a non-standard use of an infinitive, versus this recommends delaying is the standard use of a verbal. And write series in parallel order because people pick it up in writing and in speaking. So I wrote the memo, taking it to the post office, and guarantee as certified mail is non-standard. The verbals are not in parallel voice or tense. Versus I wrote the memo, took it to the post office, and guaranteed it as certified mail. Here you have the standard use of the past tense in the same voice, parallel order. And then use the right number, singular or plural. People is non-standard because people takes a plural verb. People are is standard. I have two children's, on the other hand, is non-standard because children is a collective noun taking the singular. I have two children is standard. I have provided recent informations is non-standard, plural, versus the singular. I provided recent information as information is singular. Then select the appropriate preposition. How did that happen with you is non-standard. How did that happen to you is the use of the standard preposition. And use the standard comparative. This method is more fast versus this method is faster. So you can see there are several uses of standard language that very often are mistaken by people who use the language order of their first language. And learning a global language like English again requires careful attention to several of these issues.